This is TVS Emerald Cascadia, a project that sits right in the middle of one of Bengaluru's most historic neighborhood. Everything here feels familiar, established, and honestly, that's what sets the tone for this entire development. You're surrounded by places that genuinely define the city. Lal Bagh, Cubbon Park, Bangalore Club, UB City, Chinnaswamy Stadium, the Golf Club, all just a few minutes out. It's that rare pocket where the old charm and the new city actually meet. And in the middle of all this, TVS is building something pretty unique, just 63 units on a 1.1 acre land parcel. Now let's take a look at the miniature. Coming to the structure, the first thing we notice is the cascading form. It doesn't rise straight like a standard tower. As you can see, it step backs level by level, and that's actually where the name Cascadia comes from. Two towers, cascading terraces. Now let's talk about the amenities. The real highlight is how the amenities continue vertically. The 13th floor is the full clubhouse level, a proper gym, spa room, games room, multipurpose hall, indoor games, and even a mini theatre. One level above that, on the 14th floor, you get a temperature-controlled infinity pool. Higher up, there's a yoga terrace, a squash court, and finally a rooftop with the pavilion, barbecue center, zen garden, and open seating. So the lifestyle here is not limited to the ground. It's built into multiple levels of the tower. What's interesting is who designed it. The architecture here is done by Perkins Eastman from New York, one of the world's most top design firm who works on major civic and global landmarks. And the landscape is done by Deep Root Design from Singapore, basically known for its meaningful nature-led outdoor spaces. So both architecture and the greens here are done by teams who know how to design spaces that feel good to live in. So now, before we step into the apartment, there's something important, the Experience Center. They've showcased every finished and materials here, starting with your engineered wood samples. Then you have the different types of marble that's used across the apartments. Then you have your floor tile samples, your wall tile samples, and they also have this depiction of your car park. You will be getting stack car parking, and then you have your bathroom fixtures. Now let's take a look at the model apartment. This 4 BHK apartment measures 4,826 square feet. Look at the space, it's so grand and luxurious. Your dining following with your living area. You get 11 feet ceiling height, marble flooring across the main areas. And right next to your living is your attached balcony. You get wooden deck, and this is the exact view you will be getting from your apartment. Now let's take a look at the bedrooms. You get 2 rooms on this side and 2 rooms on this side. Out of the 4 bedrooms, 3 bedroom comes with an attached balcony. Out of all the bedrooms, only your primary bedroom gets a walk-in wardrobe space. And this is your washroom. All these beautiful brass-like fixtures that you see, your shower head, your basin, the marble countertop, everything is provided by the builder itself. Now this is your primary bedroom. You get window on one side and an attached balcony. What I really love about this apartment is that from one side you get view of Lal Bagh, and from the other side of the balcony you get the view of Cubbon Park. Now this side you get your puja room and your beautiful kitchen. Now let me take you to the most iconic part of the house. But before that comes your office space. And guys, this is it. Your patio. You'll notice how immediately this patio stands out. You get a separate entry and exit for it. Look at the size. It's wide, open, roughly about 300 square feet. You can easily host parties with your friends and family without feeling packed in. You'll be getting an open view from here. And guess what? It does not just end here. You get an extended deck which is of about 14 feet. Again, you'll be getting an open view from here as well. You get a separate entry and exit from the kitchen, and finally, this is your 4th bedroom, which also gets a direct access to the deck. The layouts are practical with good light and ventilation. Everything feels natural and easy to move around in. Beyond the design and experience, the project also checks important boxes. Cascadia is IGBC pre-certified, which means the entire development follows green and sustainable building practices. Also being part of the 114-year TVS group, the project comes with the legacy of trust and consistency. Also, you know the biggest advantage? Since everything around you is already established, your school, leisure hub, hospitals, hotels, office pockets, all are within few minutes reach. The prices for these homes starts at rupees 14 crore onwards. So if you'd like to schedule a site visit, reach out to us at Edis Advisors and we'll guide you through everything from plans to pricing to a complete guided visit. Also, don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel where we showcase you some of the finest properties across the city. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.